All right, guys, so I'm going to go over the homework answers or how to solve them. For each of them, you have the equation you need here. If you don't have a calculator at home, don't want to use your phone or don't know how, Google logarithmic calculator, and it'll give you a great thing. On most calculators, the negative sign and minus are not the same. On this one, it is. So literally, I just plug it in the same way. One that I see it. The big thing here is the times 10. I got to use the EE key for that, or EXP, or I got to be really careful about how I plug it in. So here I'm going to go negative log, and then I'm typing in 3.28 times 10 to the 4, 3.28. The times 10 is the EXP number, or E, and then -4, end it, equals to 3.48. 2 decimal places is fine. So then I just repeat, negative log to find the pH from H plus, 9. Oh, I got to clear. My fault. Make sure you clear really aggressively on this thing. Negative log 9.43, and then EE key, -13 is equal to 12.03, rounded up. Great, cleared really aggressively. Negative log 2.71, EXP, -8, pH is 7.57. That's a base, that's a base, that's an acid. Okay, pretty straightforward there for that one. Next, I got H plus. Now, here's the nice part about these. When you have a whole number, I don't have to plug it in. It's just 1 times 10 to the negative pH. pH 5 is 1 times 10 to the negative fifth. 3 is 1 times 10 to the negative 3. But if I have to plug it in, I got to use an exponential character here. So calculator, I just put in 10, and then I hit this XY number, and then it's going to be -2.8. I can't have decimal points in my answer. Then I hit equal, and this is what it spits out. But I want that in scientific notation, so I move it 3 spots, 1, 2, 3, to get one number in front. 1.58 times 10 to the negative 3. If you had a number with several zeros in front, you should do it. If you had 1 0, it's probably okay. But 0.002 would be another acceptable answer here. Okay. So pH, determine whether it's acidic, basic, or neutral. So remember, pH is 14 minus pOH, so 14 minus 4.5, usually 9.5. Just subtracting them. I'm not going to do the math here because I feel like that's pretty simple for you to do, just 14 minus. And if I have pH of 9.5, that's a base. pH of 4.8, that's an acid. pH is 7, that's neutral. Okay. Next, I'm doing pOH from OH minus, so it's negative log of those answers again. So I'll plug it in just like before, negative log 6.32. EE key, -2, gives me 1.199 or 1.20. Here I get negative log 9.28. EXP or E key, -9, equal to 8.03. Great, killing it. And then lastly, I got negative log 7.56. EE key, -3, giving me 2.12. 2.12. That's what I got there. Last set of problems here. For pOH, calculate OH minus. So again, if it's a decimal, I can't plug it in that way. I gotta do it. So I'm plugging in 10. Hit this key on this calculator. A lot of calculators might have a 10 with a little X by it. If you could use that number. So 10. I got negative 3.5. Make sure you do negative, not minus. On this one, it's the same. And I get 0.00031, or that should be 3.16. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So it's 3.16 times what you got there. Okay, next one, I got negative log. Okay, clear aggressively. Negative log. Wait, what am I doing? Sorry. I'm taking 10 to the negative. So 10, negative 9.1. equal to 7.94 times 10. See, this one did it for you. 7.94 e negative 10 means times 10 to the negative 10. I really wish they'd use the capital E here because that little lowercase e means something different. But this calculator works for what we're doing it for. Here I got 10, negative 4.6, and then I get, this one, so move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots, 2.51 times 10 to the negative fifth. That's what I have there for my answers. Okay, so that's really all you're doing. You're plugging these in. Sometimes knowing how to plug it in is the hardest part. Let me know if you guys have questions. There are going to be some more review questions in tomorrow's folder. Feel free to do those today, or if you just want to go take the quiz, go for it. Again, this is our last big adventure together. New stuff. Next week is just a little bit of review and reflection, and then you're done. All right, guys. Love you. Have a great day. Bye.